Boys, back in action. We're back in the action. Yo, sorry if it's crap lighting, boys. My girlfriend's at work right now. It's like early morning right now because I gotta open this up before she gets home. First off, man, thank you guys so much for the support. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm so... Now you look fine. Sorry, I get a little STONED, which I don't recommend before videos that I might puke on, because this is about to get me anxious, bro. I'm already anxious. As you can tell by the title, of this video, bro, I'm going back to the old ways. What's the old ways, you may ask? Me just doing what I love, bro. We did jewelry and stuff like that. I never really cared about any sort of like objects. When I was doing sneakers, I deep fry the expensive ones, you know what I mean? Burn them in a fire. It's all entertaining to me. Anyway, the roots come back to now. We're doing another dark web mystery box. Oh wait, not another. Allegedly another. Allegedly at one point in time I was doing dark web mystery boxes. They all got 5 million of views each, allegedly. Some people say that. Then allegedly somebody told me maybe you should take those down because that goes against YouTube guidelines, and some allegedly did get taken down, and I had to save my channel allegedly. But we found a loophole, allegedly, to do what I love to do, unbox some weird stuff. I found this $50 package on eBay. A little pissed off it's actually not a box, but that's fine. $50 dark web mystery box style unboxing. Now if you guys don't know what a dark web mystery box is, the dark web is the website or something that you cannot shop on. Like, it just, don't do it, I don't promote it. Saw a bunch of bad things on there. This is gonna be a mystery box of like something gross, something inappropriate, something illegal. Probably not, hopefully not, or else I won't put it on YouTube. But here's our $50 dark web mystery box, boys. I hope you enjoy. Thumbs up, comment down below. Just give away all the only three giveaway prizes for this Christmas. But we still have that gold rope chain, so thumbs up, comment down below. My Instagrams are here if you want to win that. Just DM me that. But we need 500 thumbs up within the day. That's why we haven't given it away yet. 500 within the day. Let's go. I'm scared, bro. I don't want to do this right now. It's too early for this, man. Alright, let's get into it. Actually, I can't open that with oven mitts. I got oven mitts on. I don't have a mask. It's in the car. It's cold outside today. Boys, we're really going back to the root on this one. We haven't done a dark web mystery box, allegedly, in a long time. Alright, so, yeah, I guess if you saw my old alleged mystery box video, I gotta just stop. If you guys saw my old mystery box videos, we're just gonna keep it real with the dark web. No. Should we keep it real? We'll keep it real. We got some pretty nasty stuff, boys. That's why I'm scared about this one. Nasty, nasty. Like me puking on camera type nasty. This is from eBay, though. So it should be, I was about to use my teeth to open this. Let me go get a I got a hammer here, but I don't know if that's gonna help. Let me go get it. Oh, we also have a knife. Okay, let's go. Right after this act. Yo, boys, this video real quick is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, my website. What we saw on there, you might say. We got a mystery box for $24.99 on the website as we speak. You got $55 worth of value in that mystery box if you buy right now. We also have free jewelry. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. Now, with the mystery box, one thing you need to know, one person that buys one is either going to get to choose, we're going to email you. You got to choose, I'm mad, I got way too sound. You got to choose between an Xbox Series X or a PS5. You know what I mean? Some person's going to get one of those things for supporting the NameBranFam.com. Links down below. Let's get into it, boys. Okay, so the first thing, actually, let's just say, I feel things in here. I don't think I have to be scared to feel that. I feel things in here, but it's not a box. Like, there's no actual items. If anything, it feels like wrapping paper. Gag reflex just comes. Nothing grossed me out. We just have to check what this $50 item is. I will not be posting a link down below, boys. And YouTube, I do not recommend doing these videos. Although I don't think I'm in the wrong. Alright. Now I'm already just getting chills, bro. Alright, mystery box engaged. Oven mitts on. We never know what we're gonna touch. It's eBay. We should be a little safe. First thing we see, I'm just gonna dump it. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna pull out what I feel. And it's just fucking wrapping paper, bro. No, it's not. Okay, so that... Okay, boys, so what we have here, first off, I just touched my table. I just kind of stood there thinking about this. This is either a dirty Kleenex or something else. $50 worth, I'm not really sure. if we've all used socks in the past, we kind of know what that is. It gets a little yellow tint, you know what I mean? Is there anything? Oh God. So we have a plastic bag here with air, I'm assuming. I just dropped that on the table. I guess we're gonna have to sniff that at one. No, we can't. What if that's something else? Okay, so just more fucking rags. Okay, dude, actually, if that's serious, I'm actually reporting his page. All right, or I'm gonna hit him up. I'm trying to be entertaining to you guys, but I'm just kind of... I'm just kind of just now actually just grossed out. I got 2 stone for that. I got 2 stone now. Okay, so we got Kleenexes galore. 3 to be sure. And okay, well then, oh shit, it almost touched me. Then we have what looks like a plastic bag of damn toenails. I hope you guys could hear me. That's it, we're not gonna open up the bag. That's it. I had way too much pizza last night. Bro, my stomach's already been kind of turning. I didn't think boys, just washed up. I'll just show you the table. Yeah, I just, that's it. I don't know. There's nothing that I can physically touch. And it's still on the frickin' table, bro. I'm gonna, my girl's a nurse. I'm not gonna lie. I might ask her to dispose of this when she gets home, because I ain't touching this table anymore. Appreciate y'all for watching. I wish that was better. Or it's like, what do you even expect from a damn mystery box, bro? Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm just talking to myself right now. Oh yeah, my stomach's gotten weaker through the times, bro, or something like, I don't know. Okay, appreciate y'all for watching, Merkin the Game. There's a $50 mystery box from eBay from the dark web style, allegedly.